If you think budgeting is just about cutting coffee and tracking receipts, you've already lost the game. Because the rich don't budget like that. They follow a hidden formula the 99% have never even heard of. The 25,551,010 rule. And no, this isn't just another save more tip. This is the real reason the wealthy get richer, even when they earn the same as you. Stick around, because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to hand you the exact blueprint the 1% uses to build unstoppable wealth, step by step. Let's start with a hard truth. The people who truly build wealth in America fall into 4 categories. Entrepreneurs, investors, and swatcharat, inheritors, and skill performers like top athletes or artists. Notice what they all have in common? They own things. Assets, brands, intellectual property. What they don't do is rely only on a paycheck. The rich don't trade time for money. They make money while they sleep. But here's the twist. You don't need to be born rich or start a billion-dollar company to think like them. You just need their system. A simple but powerful formula called the 25,515,010 rule. Okay? Here's how the 25,551,010 rule breaks down. Every dollar you earn is split like this. 25% goes toward growth, 15% towards stability, 50% to essentials, 10% to rewards. Let's unpack that. Think of your income like a seed. Most people water the leaves, the rich water the roots. This rule forces you to build a foundation that grows with time, not just effort. First, the 25% growth. Das bucket. This is where you build the machine. You're not saving, you're investing. Whether it's index funds, real estate, crypto, or start skills that raise your earning power. This bucket is your future. Even $100 a month can turn into 6 figures over time, thanks to the compound growth. Start early, stay consistent, and don't chase hype, chase value. Bonus tip, use tax-advantaged accounts like Roth IRAs, Sanjundus, or 401ks. Why? Because if you're giving 30% of your gains to taxes, you're not compounding, you're leaking. Next, the 15% stability fund. Your financial airbag. Aim for 5 months of emergency savings. Rent, food, bills. Keep it liquid, high-yield savings or money market funds. This isn't about making money, it's about protecting it. Because if your car breaks down or you lose your job, this buffer keeps your investments safe from panic selling. Now, the big one, 50% for essentials. That means everything you can't live without: housing, food, transportation. But be honest, are all your expenses truly essential? The rich fight lifestyle creep like it's the enemy. Because it is. As income grows, most people upgrade their car, their home, their wardrobe. But the rich upgrade their portfolio when first. They rent modestly, drive smart, and invest the difference. Why? Because freedom is better than flexing. Last, the I need 10% joy principle. This is the guilt-free bucket. Spend it on vacations, hobbies, concerts, whatever makes you feel alive. Because the key to long-term wealth isn't deprivation, it's balance. If you hate your life while saving, you'll sabotage it later. A sustainable financial plan must include joy. Wealth isn't just about what you save, it's also about what you experience. This rule works because it's automated and psychologically smart. Rich people don't rely on willpower, they use systems. Set up automatic transfers, investments on payday, savings on autopilot, a separate debit card just for joy spending. Use the 7-day rule. Want something? Wait 7 days. Still want it? Buy it. Don't? You just saved yourself. Keep it visual. Use budgeting apps or even jars labeled growth, stability, essentials, rewards. Here's the final truth. The rich don't get rich by luck, they get rich by design. The 25,551,010 rule is your blueprint. Start small, stick to it. And in 5 years, you'll be stunned by how far you've come. Because while the 99% keep spending, the 1% keep building. Which one do you want to be? Number